Let's add a little lemony, peppery flavoring to recipes like chicken, fish, vegetables by making our own homemade lemon pepper seasoning blend. The ingredients we need are 4 fresh lemons, some garlic powder, some sea salt, and black peppercorns. So we're gonna get started by taking our lemons and zesting them. So I have a sheet pan that I've lined with parchment paper, and then I've washed and dried my lemons. So I'm just going to take my zester and zest the lemons. Get all that zest off from all 4 of them. Now, if you don't have a lemon zester, you can slice the lemon peel off. You want to make sure that you don't get any of the white pith, because that will make our seasoning blend a little bit on the bitter side. All right, I'm just gonna spread out this lemon zest on the parchment paper. That way it'll help dry it out a little bit faster so it's not in like clumps. That is also why I decided to zest it, is to help it dry out faster. I have my oven preheated to the lowest temperature that it will go, and mine goes down to 170. So I am going to put this in the oven and bake it until it's dried out. All right, my oven at 170 degrees took an hour and a half to dry out this lemon zest, and it is really, really dry. So I'm gonna set this aside for now. And I'm gonna bring over my spice grinder. Into my little grinder here, I'm gonna add in 1/4 of a cup of whole peppercorns. I want to get these ground up before I add in the lemon zest. So just gonna pulse it a little bit. Okay, so I do have a little bit of the ground pepper around the edge of my lid here. So I'm just gonna do this, open this lid over top of the parchment paper and get that all off so I'm not wasting any. And then I'm gonna take and add that dried lemon zest. All right, the lemon zest is in there, and we're gonna go ahead and give it a little blend. Now we're gonna take and add that into a bowl here. Get around my edges. Now we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1½ teaspoons of sea salt. Now we're just going to whisk these all together. All right, I have my little spice jar and my funnel. I'm going to put it all in here. Now this will keep, if properly stored, for about 6 months to a year. You want to keep it in a cool, dark place, such as a spice cupboard or a pantry. All right, let's go ahead and put the lid on. And of course, we want to put a label on it so we know what we're using. All right, it is labeled and all mixed up, ready to use. So if you want to adjust any of the ingredients, you know, if you want a little bit more lemon flavor, go ahead and add another whole lemon peel to it, or if you want a little bit more or less pepper, go ahead and adjust that ratio as well. But this is perfect to season vegetables or grilled chicken, even fish.